Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here, and we're looking at week 2. What is culture? What is my culture? And this will be for the week August 26th through September 2nd. Remember, as you're watching this, you're looking at the suggested schedule I put up here. My suggested schedule will run Monday through Friday, and that I'll put due dates up and have most things due on Friday. However, you do have 7 days to get each week's work done, so things will not be late until Sunday night at midnight. So you will actually have until midnight September 2nd to get everything due. But as I've said before, I strongly suggest that you follow this suggested schedule Monday through Friday, and then you can have the weekends all to yourself and don't have to cram everything in on Sunday night, which I've already seen some people doing. But yeah, let's try to stick to this Monday through Friday schedule. Remember, this Wednesday is the first on-campus day for those of you that, most of you, but not all of you, do the on-campus. Also, this Thursday I will be taking attendance, and I will also be doing our weekly grade update. So make sure you've got everything in. First thing I'd like you to do every week before even going into materials and all of that is go into your grade tab over here, open up your grades, take a look. This is where I give you feedback. If you did not score 100% on an assignment, the feedback will be here. Sometimes I give feedback on assignments even if you do get full credit on it. So please go into your grades, make sure that you have everything. If you didn't get the grade you wanted on something and you want to talk to me about it, this is where feedback will be. So please do that. Strongly suggest. And so you should be doing that Monday morning when you watch this video. Go through the suggested schedule, check your grade book. Every day you should be checking your email. You should be checking your Schoology messages. Do that every day, even if you don't go into a class on a particular day for whatever reason. You should still check your email, check your messages every day. Okay, let's take a look. Go into materials, and as you open up materials, it's kind of go into Unit 1, and you won't. Well, this will look a little bit different by the time you're opening it. But week 2, what is culture? What is my culture? And as you click in there, you'll see that this is set up. Start with the suggested schedule. I'll talk a little bit there, and then you see it's set up Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3. And just go through it. Click on the first suggested schedule. You'll see is looks very similar to what we have on the update page, and then just go through next lesson 1, and you'll just start going through page social studies target. Then you have, I think there are 4 assignments due. Identifying the 7 continents, going into the Western Hemisphere. You have several discussion boards this week. Please remember, on discussion boards, you need to post, and you also need to reply to your classmates. And on a post, I'm not looking for 1 or 2 word answers. I want you to use details. I want you to be very descriptive. Replies as well. Just saying, yes, you're right, or no, I disagree, that's not a complete reply. You have to say why. So it's very important on the discussion boards that you use details, examples out of whether it's a reading or video or whatever else. All right, so that's basically, and you'll see again, suggested schedule that you'll be going through Monday through Friday. Do you have any questions on attendance being taken on Thursday? Remember, C or above, or at least 2 quality assignments turned in the last 5 school days. But that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. You can email, text, all of that good stuff. And my information is all right in here. So with that, and definitely make sure these first 4 assignments are done as soon as possible if you've not completed them yet. Thank you much. I will see you soon. Bye.